Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the steps to disable automatic updates for your Gmail app on your Android device. If you want more control over when your apps update, this is the perfect solution. Let's dive in. First, open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store app. It's usually found on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you've located it, go ahead and open it. Next, we need to access the settings. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Tap on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings. Easy enough, right? Now it's time to adjust your network preferences. Within the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Network Preferences. Tap on it, and you'll see a selection for Auto Update Apps. Finally, we want to stop those pesky auto updates. When you tap on Auto Update Apps, you'll see a few options pop up. Select Don't Auto Update Apps. And just like that, you're all set. Remember, this means you'll have to manually update your Gmail app in the future, but it gives you complete control over when updates occur. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy managing.